A study hot off the presses takes a look at how quickly the city of Killeen keeps growing, but it comes with a high cost. Good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining us at 10 for this Sunday night edition of 25 News. I'm Dennis Turner. As the experts comb through the numbers, they warn property tax exemptions for 100% disabled veterans will break the city budget in the years to come. 25 News reporter Maggie Lowmiller shows us while everyone agrees veterans deserve the benefit, some cities feel a disproportionate impact. It's a 25 News exclusive.
A means to support our veterans could have an unintended consequence.
In 2009, the voters of the state of Texas were presented with a ballot item by the state legislature that asked if they wanted to grant 100% property tax exemption to 100% disabled veterans.
It passed overwhelmingly, but fast forward 10 years later.
The intention is absolutely good, and the city of Killeen is absolutely in support of the state of Texas granting benefits to veterans, but the benefits that they're granting are being shouldered by the taxpayers in the communities where veterans live.
The total annual loss for the city rings up to $6.5 million. The impact on Killeen, 20 times the state average of just 0.59%. The bite of Killeen's budget, 11.3%.
It really affects the local communities where there's a heavy population of military retirees and veterans with a bunch that are 100% disabled because their tax revenue goes down and they can't provide the services they want to their citizens.
City leaders went to the legislature to make their case.
The state of Texas did give more money to a disproportionate impact payment that qualifies the city of Killeen, the city of Copperas Cove, and the counties of Bell and Coryell for some reimbursement for the loss that's been granted. However, it doesn't fully reimburse. It makes up about half.
But Shine says it's not enough, pointing out Killeen's veteran exemptions grow more than 20% every year.
A city of 145,000 people is experiencing a $6.5 million a year loss. The city of Houston, which is one of the largest cities in the nation, is experiencing a $1 million a year loss. If they were impacted at the rate that the city of Killeen is impacted, they would lose $150 million a year.
Harker Heights lost $2.1 million in fiscal year 2019-2020, a 27% increase from the previous year. Jerry Bark, Public Relations Director for the city, said the city's objective is to share the burden of honoring those 100% veteran exemptions across the state, and it is not to reduce or remove those benefits. Killeen leaders agree, but call the current situation unsustainable. In Bell County, Maggie Lowmiller, 25 News.